Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by prepping both tool and skin. Cleanse and dry the eye area so the roller glides, then sanitize the metal head to avoid irritation. Once done, place the roller in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes. The cold reduces puffiness and firms tissue. You want a gentle chill, not freezing. Make sure it's comfortable to touch. This immediate first step reduces inflammation and makes the mechanical action more effective, setting up the rest of the technique. You hold the roller at a shallow angle and apply light pressure. Too hard causes irritation. Starting at the inner corner, glide outward toward the temple, then downward toward the cheek and neck to drain lymph fluid. Repeat 5 to 8 gentle passes. Once done on one side, mirror the motion on the other. If under-eye creases form, change to short, feathering strokes parallel to lashes to avoid pulling. Make sure to maintain consistent rhythm, so circulation improves. You finish by applying a hydrating serum or eye cream to lock in moisture and enhance absorption. Pat product gently with your ring finger. Use the roller once or twice daily, once in the morning for depuffing and once at night for product absorption. If you notice persistent redness, increased irritation, or bruising, stop immediately and allow skin to recover. In that case, consult a dermatologist. One key troubleshooting tip: reduce pressure and frequency first. Most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.